So since my work is at 10 p.m. and it's already 9:52, so I still have a few minutes before my time in, let's do skincare, guys. So I was known na dili gyud ko nag-skincare, guys. I mean, I don't have like a skincare routine gyud at all ever since. But now I realized na naga-age ko, so I really have to take care of myself. Plus, taking care of myself would help me boost more of my confidence. So that's why, guys, I invested to some of the beauty skin products. Pero actually, guys, I'm very kuripot pag abot sa akong self, and that's why mga mura lang talaga ang binipili ko. Ano ba, advertisement? So I have here the Skintific Niacinamide tawag nito? Skintific Niacinamide toner. So actually, guys, I don't know how to use toner. I mean, I know how to use it. I mean, how to apply it, pero I don't know like yung sunod-sunod na dapat when siya ilagay sa face mo. And next is, of course, the Dermo Republic 10% Niacinamide Serum. Eto. So first, I will be using the Skintific Niacinamide, guys. Actually, ang pagkabalo na ako na paggagamit sa toner is that you use a cotton, tapos butang mo ang toner sa cotton, tapos inganan mo siya. But gitudluan ko sa Ate Watson's girl that for a toner to be more effective, dili na daw nimo siya dapat gamitan og cotton because it will be just absorbed lang sa cotton. So much better if like butang lang nimo siya there sa palm. So let's do it. And si ate girl, tatap lang daw. So si Harriet na medyo madahas tayo eh. So enough amount, and then tap. And you will apply this one daw po in morning and evening. So I just finished taking a half bath, guys. Kandis, ingnan ako yung kading, guys. I don't wash my hair every day. It's because grabe akong hair fall, and I'm trying to to cure my hair fall by ito. And according to them, guys, toner helps daw absorb the following na mga skincare na may butang. So yeah, that's it. So ayun na, guys, I'm done with the toner part. Yun na, ganun na pala kasimple, guys. It will only take me a few seconds, pero tamad yung ko before. So ayun siya, yun natin first step. The next step would be the serum. Actually, guys, dili ko ganahan na dagan kay chichi abori may butang sa nang because I don't like to feel very lagkit sa akong face. But you will seldom see me wearing makeup yun outside, as in. So this one, guys, actually si Derma Republic has two types of serum. There is 5% niacinamide and 10% niacinamide. I got the 10% niacinamide. Tingnan mo, gamay-gamay pumunta. Diretso na nato, te. Charas. So let's begin. Ay, ano ba guys? Like before, I also used yung skincare na Cavalier. Ganito ko mag-apply sa face kasi kung feel mo na dapat sa yung palm. Matagal kasi yan, maka-absorb sa yung palm. So ayan, just apply gently around your face. And ginafocus actually, guys, and in fairness, guys, for like a week na ko ginagamit ako siya na skincare, guys. It's showing good effect na. Like kung makita niyo sa mga videos, guys, I have like dark spots here. I don't know, it's maybe because ako kanang white ang tapos mas-scratch mo na siya. As a person who na mag-alam ng sarili. So yun siya. And right now, guys, actually siya, dili na the entire this one na siya, guys. Karon na siya. Spot na siya. So ayan. It will only take me less than 5 minutes to do my skincare routine, guys. So, and also mind you guys, ang kanisela is very mura. This Derma Republic serum, 10% niacinamide serum, would only cost less than 300 pesos. And this one is just 399 pesos sa Watsons. But I will add the, on the yellow basket, if makita ko siya here sa TikTok shop. So, ano pa hinihintay nyo, guys? Check out now for the 10% niacinamide serum of Derma Republic. Bye!